family that was washed away by water.
On June 30th, a family outing turned into a nightmare as 5 members were swept away by the strong currents of the waterfall at the backside of Bhushi Dam in Pune's Lonavala. As per the latest updates, 3 bodies have been recovered and 2 kids from the same family are missing. In a joint effort by Lonavala Police and Emergency Services, a rescue operation was deployed to find the missing children. Indian Navy deployed its divers for search and rescue. The family was on a day out when the tragedy struck as their picnic turned into a nightmare with the drowning of 5 members. The tragic incident occurred around 12:30 p.m. on June 30. The family hails from Syed Nagar area of Pune city.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.